Bit Cortex, and we're excited to be the first to pitch to you our solution to mental health tracking and assessment by using a gamified approach. Most psychological assessment uses outdated technology and is labor intensive, which prevents it from scaling to meet the rising demands of mental health services. Our team identified the need for an automated psychological assessment and data visualization tool with patient-centered design that is convenient, easy to use, and provides rapid feedback. We have performed market research of over 100 young adults and found that over half are currently struggling with their mental health and that feel particularly isolated and vulnerable in the midst of the COVID pandemic. Also, 37% of respondents expressed a desire to see a therapist, but were deterred by barriers such as affordability and extremely long wait times. And we identified a need for an assessment tool that is fun, quick and easy to use, and one that fosters community, both between users and including therapists, and most importantly, having the app be free or of minimal cost. Our solution has three key components. Our team has developed custom algorithms to extract clinically meaningful analytics from the data collected on our platform to personalize user content based on their specific psychological needs. To combat the boredom of traditional psychological assessments, our solution turns these tedious cognitive tasks into games with creative design elements to make collecting this data fun and engaging. And in keeping mental health a priority, we aim to make our platform's analytics useful in reducing assessment inefficiencies in the healthcare services. We entered the Neuro Nexus competition with a rudimentary prototype that was only functional on desktop browsers, which you can see on this slide. Our mood surveys appeared too clinical and our menus and analytics were not intuitive. Therefore, our goal for Neuro Nexus was to incorporate progressive web app technology and update the platform for mobile devices. Our diverse and multidisciplinary team has a complementary skill set and is composed of neuroscientists to ensure the validity of our mental health measurements. Our developers, Raz, Ben, and Andrew, have extensive programming backgrounds and are responsible for converting our tool into a progressive web app and in employing time series algorithms to better analyze participant data. Lastly, Carissa, Ria, and Phoenix are our front-end developers and graphics designers who have improved our art design and user interface and developed our current mockup, which we would like to show to you now.
Based on the results of market research, we developed a wonderful mockup. The landing page is consistent with our pencil art styles, briefly introducing the app. We also provide multiple login options for users. In the main page, there is 4 major components in the tab bars: weekly report, games, about me, and settings. Now we have an early adopters partnership with Conscious Work to support us. The game page is primary, where users browse all games. We expect an animation of each game in those cards as previews of games. Now we have our Mountain Rush and Mindful Streak. In the future, more games will be built in. Let's explore a specific game like Mountain Rush. We have survey sessions before games. Based on question type and user experience considerations, we ask questions in different ways. The user will continue to play the games. When they finish the games, our custom analytic will dashboard dynamic plots to help them understand patterns in their data. This data is compiled into a weekly report. Let's take a look at our business model.
We will be using a freemium service model. This is because our goal has always been to cultivate our user base and provide accessible service for all Albertans. With our upcoming partnerships with ConsciousWorks, we can also get additional revenue from affiliate marketing of other evidence-based mental health tools. Our newly implemented analytics can be sold as a business-to-business subscription model. This service could help reduce inefficiencies spent during patient intake and increase time spent on patient treatment. Finally, our plug-and-play solutions will work to reduce the cost of absenteeism in the workplace while raising overall psychological well-being. Our future goals include unifying our design between the mobile and desktop versions of our site with React Native. There are also more opportunities to extend our gamification goals through new meditation and thought-probing tasks. We will be launching by early 2021, and we will be looking for beta testers over the coming weeks. We know that mental health is complex. We make understanding it simple. And with your support, we will expedite our growth and create a product that will help people on their journey to mental wellness. Thank you.